Good morning. This video is probably targeting people who believe in subconscious power. The power that once you click in something subconsciously in your mind, your life, your social context, psychologically speaking, is going to be geared to achieve it. And this is something that happened to me. It happens to me most frequently when I think about something that I am completely dedicated to do. For example, if I'm thinking of being a very professional translator slash interpreter, I find myself in situations, so many, where I encounter people who share the same kind of interest, the same kind of predilection. And this is very important for you because I really don't know why that happens. Like it happens sometimes when you're thinking of a word and then you just hear it. This happens to me, but I'm just a human being. So I think I can relate to you. You can relate to me. The point that I clearly want to state here is simply you need to believe in your subconscious powers of achieving something because that is the first thing that will lead you to achieve it. And this is based on something that happened to me with a friend of mine recently, where I was debating with him why he is not, a public figure yet, because he is so intelligent. He is so smart in his field. He is well educated. He has a PhD. The only person that stands between you and what you can achieve is you. He is not advocating for the fact that he can change. He has some sort of like family pressures that just made him stop thinking about taking the next step in his life. He just has to go through so many transformations in order to get to the point that he wants to be at, but he is not taking the initiative. So I really believe that first thing that you have to do is you can believe you can do it, whether becoming a translator, being admitted in master degree program, traveling abroad, getting a very prestigious diplomatic position. All of that is related to your subconscious power. And the more you advocate the fact that you can do it, you will be able to do it. The power of inner subconscious mind is really important. Structurally engineer a plan to go in a direction, you can get to that direction no matter how difficult it is. I really advocate for that kind of thinking. Stop believing you cannot do things and start believing you can do things. Take the initiative. Maybe sometimes the assumptions are not enough. Just because you're assuming something doesn't mean that it's true or it's there. So you have to take the initiative to get to that mileage and see what the territory is geographically speaking. If you're not exploring the forest, you're not going to count the number of trees there. You're not going to see the beauty of the landscape and the ecosystem of that forest. And such thing is applicable to your field, to your work, to adventures. Being open-minded, sometimes it's really hard to change our mindset and our thinking. If you want to change somebody's mindset or ideas, think about how many people are there to change your mindset. It's very important to be more flexible with your thinking and just see what the other people's perspectives are. Stay positive and embrace that there might be negativity. Be motivated, but rest assured, frustration will follow you wherever you go because they are complementary to each other and they occur collaterally. Whether you're considering applying for a job, getting experience, field experience, professional development. Embrace that as well. And I look forward to see you in another video.